Hey guys, welcome back. Just going to play hole 2 for you here in the old Creepy Cliffs. In the expert level. Little par 3 here. Which is weird that we're playing it from the first tee box in expert. But that's what they do to you. This one, I have no idea why, but it looks simple. Now, for some reason, playing the wind on this hole doesn't seem to work. I mean, obviously it works, but I don't know if it's the way the ground is sloped, but you got to be very careful on where you're putting your ball. That first bounce is crucial. I don't know why it's, well, you'll see here in a minute, but I'm not sure why it does it, but it's very difficult to get close to the hole. As you can see, it's like straight up easy, but they line you up with the hole looking like it's straight, but you're hitting off from the side. Now, as you can see, we're hitting off the second tee box, which on the picture at the start, it was pointing to the first tee box. So don't be fooled by that, which I almost was.
Great shot.
Yeah, see, the green is rolls off. The green is sloped downwards and off to the sides. Like I said, it's not the easiest shot for some reason. It's very deceiving hole. Now, with this club, I don't have the full ball guide, so I gotta make sure I'm doing this properly and checking it out from the side and kind of guessing where the... Yeah, see, there it is again, just off to the side. It's almost like you have to play it like the wind is blowing straight across for some reason. I obviously didn't play that enough to the wind, but it's totally fine. This hole, fairly easy to chip from this distance anyway, but when it comes to getting it close, it's a difficult hole to do. Oh no. Now that sucks. Jeez, like how does that not fall in? Hopefully mine's a little easier. So my target is basically a nothing here, so as long as I hit the needle in the center here, I can probably miss a little bit. It should go right in. So there you have the little par 3, the one that's been tricking me for a while here. Every time I play it, for some reason, it doesn't seem to work so well. But anyway, seeing how that one went so quick, I'm going to throw in hole number 3 here for you as well. Here we go. Nice little par 4. Now again, showing you're playing off the tee box number 1 there. When the tee box 2 and 3 are off to the right from as it shows, but it doesn't actually do it properly. So I'll go way over here. Obviously you're not making the green, so you don't have to worry about crushing it. Do we got enough over here? I think we do. I'll make sure I'm bouncing it in the right position. Now hopefully this is going to catch that hill and bring it back. Nope, I'm going out of bounds. Well, this is not good. I don't know how I went out of bounds over there, but it's kind of like if you don't stay on the fairway, you're in trouble. And like usual, I didn't follow my own rules.
Perfect shot.
But we'll adjust for that and hopefully get ourselves a par here. Which I don't know, actually. It's going to be tough. I'm going to have to go for this. I'm going to end up with a par just because. This is why I'm going to go for this. Because I'm going to end up with a par because he's going to get a birdie. So I don't know if that might be a bit too much, but we'll give it a go.
Great shot.
This one should work out well. Nice little bounce. If we can get it up there nice and close, it'd be a lot better. I guess I could chip in from here for the birdie, but it's going to be tough, obviously. Wind's blowing a little bit here. It is qualifying, so I'm not too worried, but I sure wish I didn't stick that one OB. But I'm not perfect, and that's the way it is. Go in.
Nice on.
That would have given me a birdie if he'd have sunk that for the eagle. So, let's see what we got in the bag here. Get that about there. 11.3. Should be good about there.
Perfect shot.
What are the odds? Looking pretty good. Oh, just missed her.
Nice on.
Just missed her. Now he should drain his for birdie. And I'll get my par.
Birdie.
But that was disappointing, but that's the way it goes. I'm pretty sure I only need about a -7 or 8 to qualify anyway, but and it's the qualifying, so if we screw this one up, we always got tomorrow on the next day. So there we have hole number 3. So I'm just going to continue on here with hole number 4. It's just a little par 3 anyway. Shouldn't take too long. I try and get all these in as fast as I can, but you know, being at work and stuff, you got to do that to make the money and pay the bills. Brian looks like he won the WWE Championship there or something. That belt around his waist. So, not going to waste any good balls either. Here it is again, this club. I'm starting to not like this one because it doesn't have a good ball guide. But my main concern is getting it onto the second bounce there. 10.6. Could be a rough one.
Perfect shot.
I'm thinking it was about 50%. Oh, just about. But I killed it. And this is not looking good. Get off the green. Get off. Thank you. That is one thing you do not want, is long putts in this game. Sometimes if they're too long, you cannot even make the... you can't make them. Like the ball will just... Your power isn't enough to make it to the hole, so you can't even... It's like a zero shot, basically. So make sure if you're going to miss that you miss off the green, because you're better off chipping than putting where you can't make the shot. At least with a chip you can make the shot.
Perfect shot.
Uh-oh. Yeah, he's closer than I am, but let's see what the trusty end bringer is going to do for me here. So we got 10. I'm going to go over here a little bit. Uh-oh.
Great shot.
Oh, got lucky there. Got lucky for the birdie. We'll take it. That's the thing. You miss the target with the club that's as good as the end bringer, and you're still kind of got a little play room, but you can miss those shots. So always be cautious when you're doing your target. This should be fairly easy for him. Like I say, as long as he gets it in the middle of that target, it should go in, right? Oh, and he missed it like I did. Still in though. So it looks like we're going to a shootout hole. Against the champ. There's that hole again. Now I'm going to play this way over to the left just because I want to do a little experiment here. Oh, the wind's going the other way this time. Well, we'll see what happens.
Great shot.
And I missed the target again, and look at how far it goes. Crazy. And then comes right back. So there we have that. 3.25. That might actually win, to tell you the truth. You'd be surprised what happens here. But anyway, guys, while Brian's shooting here, I'm going to cut this video off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share those videos for me. If you're not part of the Facebook group, it's Golf Clashers. And you can follow me on Twitter, 97warren97. But thanks for watching, and as soon as Brian's done here, I will end the old video. And he actually had an even better shot, so there it is. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one when I get the rest of these holes out for you in the qualifying rounds. Thanks for watching.